Welcome to the Vidtechy YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to block someone from your YouTube channel. Whether you encounter users who leave negative comments or simply want to block certain individuals, this guide will show you the necessary steps. To begin, log into youtube.com with your account associated with the channel you wish to manage. Once logged in, click on the profile icon and navigate to your channel. From there, select Manage Videos. Within the Manage Videos section, you will find an option to review comments. Click on Comments to view all the comments on your channel. If you want to block a specific user, you have two options. Vidtechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up Vidtechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. The first method involves accessing the comment section. Locate the three dots next to the comment made by the user you wish to block. Click on the action menu represented by the three dots and select Hide User from Channel. By doing this, the user will be hidden from your channel without their knowledge. Alternatively, you can choose the second method. Right-click on the comment made by the user you want to block and select Open in New Tab or Open in New Window. This will redirect you to the user's YouTube channel. Once on their channel, click on the About section and find the flag icon. Click on the flag icon and choose Hide User from my channel. Upon clicking Submit, the particular user will be hidden from your YouTube channel. By following either of these methods, you can successfully block someone from accessing your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidtechy. Thanks for watching.